Finally. College. Yes! Now I don't have to follow my parents' rules. I can pretty much do whatever I want. I'm so I don't end up with a bad house and a psychotic. Looks nice so far. Huh. Downstairs, my roommate, and unpack the suitcase. Hi, I'm Alex. I'm your new roommate.
Hi, I'm Nicole.
Nice to meet you. So you're going to Pembroke?
Yep.
Nice.
So, you new around here?
Actually, yeah. I went to school at Washington High School, about 5,000 miles away from here.
I've been really wanting a roommate.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah, I've been an only child, so I've always wanted a brother or sister. I didn't care which one. I didn't care. I always wanted my mom to get pregnant and be able to have another kid. I didn't care if I ended up with a brother or sister. I just wanted to be able to have a sibling. Alright. Well, time for me to unpack my stuff. What's that you're holding?
Oh, nothing. Nothing you need to worry about.
Oh, alright. Yeah, I'm waiting for my parents to send the rest of my clothes. I have I have 2 other boxes that they're supposed to send me in the mail. They're sending it today, so I should have it in about 2 days, which is how long these clothes will last me.
Great.
I'll go get us drinks. What are you holding?
Let's just skip to the part where I kill you. Well,
She's dead. Party time.